Hello and welcome back to Draw Maui. Today we're going to be drawing a pineapple squishmallow. I'm going to start off the eyes on the center of the page. Right around here, we're just going to add a giant eyeball. Let's give it a little highlight. And then just need to color in the eye. We're going to repeat this right over here, another little perfect eye. And in the highlight, and let's color it in. Our pineapple squishmallow needs a little smile, so we're going to add that in really quick. And let's draw in the body. We're just going to start off the top real quick. Try to get it as round as you can. And let's get in the sides. As we go around, make sure to make it as round and cute as possible. Like so. And then we need to add in the little belly, which is just going to be right here. And it's a pineapple squishmallow, so we just need the little pineapple top. I'm going to draw 2 lines to either side and draw almost like a crown detail. Like so. With that done, we just need to do the pineapple design, which is just going to be thin lines across. Just go in one direction as much as you can. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. With that done, all we really need to do is add some color real quick. And there we have it. If you have any other squishmallows you want to see drawn, please leave in the comments down below and I'll be sure to draw them.